Using SWIK requires two components: the mouthpiece with catheter, used for 12 hours at a time, and the extension tubing that can be used for up to a week at a time. Be sure to read the full instructions for use before beginning, and reach out to us at SWIK Medical if you have any questions. The mouthpiece and catheter attach to the extension tubing by pushing the two ends together and gently twisting to lock in place. The blue connector fits on your pump. You'll want to alternate the location of the tubing along the foam by gently sliding. This may help fit, and you'll alternate sides for extended use. Connect the extension tubing to your pump. Next, you'll saturate the foam mouthpiece with water. Give it a gentle squeeze to avoid dripping. Wetting the foam helps the wicking process begin and makes it easier to place in the mouth. Now begin in the center of the mouth, and using your fingers, push the foam along the lower gum line, stretching to the back molars on both sides. You may find it useful to use a long cotton swab to push the foam into place. You can secure the tubing to the face with paper tape. Now you're ready to turn on your pump. You may want to start at 70 to fully evacuate the mouth, and then adjust the suction level to 20 to 40 for extended use. Thank you for purchasing SWIK.